Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we have created a special healthy recipe for cooking at home, market food stall and restaurant. It is called avocado salad and feta tomato bridge to ensure an attractive visitor for food stall and restaurant. Include details of list ingredient and precise measurement and step-by-step cooking instruction for an easy follow for home cooking and professional chef. Now we are ready to promote our delicious food product, and it is time for the market to attract a company for our online business. And Linda will be doing the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we have created an enticing and innovative recipe called avocado salad and feta tomato bread that is sure to captivate customers at a food stall and restaurant. We have included a detailed list of ingredients, precise measurements, and step-by-step cooking instructions that are easy for any home cooking to follow. Consider to incorporating any special techniques or presentation ideas that will make the dish stand out for their visitors. Our goal is to create a recipe that not only tastes delicious, but also entices customers to try it out themselves. Here are the ingredient list: 1 ripe avocado, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Have 1-2 crumbled feta cheese, 4 cup red, thinly sliced 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro. Chop 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon Bell's vinegar, salt and pepper to taste for feta tomato bread, 1 loaf of crusty ciabatta bread, 1-2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1-2 cup cherry tomatoes, slice 2 tablespoons fresh basil. Chop 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper taste. Next, prepare step-by-step cooking. Now the preparation for the cooking step-by-step. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F190C. 2. Slice the ciabatta bread in half lengthwise and place it on a baking sheet. 3. In a small bowl, mix together the feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, basil, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread this mixture evenly over the bread. 4. Bake the bread in the oven for 10-12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool slightly. 5. In a large mixing bowl, combine the diced avocado, cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, red onion, and cilantro. 6. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Pour this dressing over the avocado salad and toss gently to coat. 7. To serve, slice the feta tomato bread into individual portions and top each slice with a generous portion of avocado salad. 8. Garnish with extra fresh cilantro or basil leaves for added flair. Let's see the demo for cooking step by step. Let's start. Start cutting the tomatoes. Cutting the onion. Now prepare the avocado. For variations, add grilled chicken meat. Now prepare the avocado. Now prepare chicken sliced into small pieces. In a small bowl, add parsley, red onion, tomatoes, avocado. Add crumbled feta cheese. Add pepitas or pumpkin seeds. Chicken meats. Add lemon vinaigrette. Apply sun-dried tomato spread on the bread. Add crumbled feta cheese. Chopped pepitas or pumpkin seeds. Bake in the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now ready to serve for a delicious and satisfying meal.
We have created detailed guidelines for people who want to start business online focused on selling food products, specifically using the recipe avocado salad and feta tomato bread, promoting health to food stalls and restaurants. Tips on how to effectively market and attract interest for food stall or restaurant. The importance of utilizing a landing page and website for their online business, as well as the health benefits of advertising through social media platforms. Create a professional and user-friendly website showcasing your products, menu, pricing, and ordering options. Run targeted ads to reach a larger audience based on demographics and interests. Generate customer engagement and drive sales. Offer promotions, discounts, and loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. By following these steps and implementing effective online marketing strategies, you can successfully launch and grow your online business focused on selling food products like avocado salad and feta tomato bread.
Online business ideas. We are leveraging a delicious recipe like avocado salad and feta tomato bread. Aspiring entrepreneurs can tap into the online culinary market with innovative business ideas and a passion for food. Aim to inspire readers to create a wholesome dish that promotes overall well-being and healthy eating habits. Happy learning and cooking at home. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones and do it at home. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website https://plrsalesfunnel.com.